Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with another video, and today I'm going to answer a very simple question, which is what is the best AK magazine on the market today? And you guys are about to find out. I don't know if you guys saw a recent video I did, by the way, Kershaw Blur for unboxing duties. So recent video I did on magazines and what I have, I'll leave a card so you guys can check that out. But some of the viewers actually left me some comments about my AK mags, which were the Magpul mags. And were telling me that those are actually really not the best. I started doing some more research. I found some quality control issues, specifically if they're fully loaded and you drop them, they do happen to crack. And I haven't seen Magpul really correcting that. So that definitely concerned me. You know, for my magazines, I want them pretty much ready to go. So what I did was I picked up, after some research, what I think to be the best. And I'll show you guys now. So these are, if you guys are not familiar, Bulgarian style magazines from Arsenal, and these are Circle 10. So pretty nice magazines. You guys can see the Circle 10 here. So if you guys can see that, they look very similar to Pro Mag magazines, but that Circle 10 makes a huge difference. So I'll tell you what you guys are getting with these, but all in all, these are some of the best magazines available on the market today. They're from Bulgaria. And I'll tell you a few of their features, but let me finish unboxing first. Okay, so as you guys can see here clearly, these are the Bulgarian Circle 10s, and a few of their features are steel reinforced feed lips, which increases strength and durability, so definitely want that. You have metal front straps that protect the magazine from bullet points, which is right here. So there is a metal strap inside here protecting the integrity of the design. Even the waffle pattern itself reinforces the magazine, which with its polymer being stronger in specific areas throughout the magazine, that certainly helps out as well. Another thing is the bottom rails are strengthened with the steel insert. So down here, you have a steel insert, steel floor plate. So all in all, and then back here, of course, you have the wear-resistant steel lugs, which are actually built inside the polymer. So they're very durable. These are really the AK standard magazine out there. Really, a lot of people like to compare to these. The only downside to these is usually the price. These tend to be very expensive. If you find a good deal, I suggest you get on them. Also, if you guys want, check out my Patreon account. You don't have to pay anything. You go there for free, but I'm going to be dropping links and discount codes and all kinds of stuff out there because obviously YouTube has new policies. So check me out on Patreon. You could definitely check out whatever deals I come across. I just put up one last night. So pretty good deals out there. And, you know, again, these are my #1 recommended magazines. I'm definitely going to be putting a few of these to the test. A few of them are going to go into storage. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching again. WRG out.